Okay, so this is a master suite, Vantage Club master suite, and it has a bay view. So it's kind of got the bedroom, living area, and the sort of bar area all together here. Nice big couch area and a huge TV, and they are smart TVs. So you should be able to cast to the TV, which is good. It means that you do not have to log into your YouTube channel or Netflix account. You can actually just put it on from your phone. So lots of storage space, tons here. And then this is the bedroom area. We're going to come back and take a look at the view in a second. So you got a fairly private bathroom area. This is, okay, so this is, wow, shower, rainfall shower head, and access to the balcony, as well as a big soaker tub. The toiletries here smell lovely. Nice and sort of tangerine fruity smell. Dual vanity there, big mirror on this side. And then this is baño. So you have full access from either the bathroom or the main area. And then let's go around and take a look at this wraparound balcony. As I say, this is a bay view, which means to say you've got a view of the sunset. And you can see the Gulf. So here we have, you can see the pools of, that's the Dreams Vivid that they're building. And on this side, we've got pools down below, snack bars. Airport's just over there. That's where the sun's going to set, so you can watch that at night. And then total bonus is not only do you have this extra space for your balcony, you've got an ocean view. So you really can't go wrong with this view. So Master Suite, Vantage Club Master Suite Bay View. This is what you get. And so I also wanted to point this out. So we've got both the regular charger, but there's also a regular USB, but this is a fast charging USB. So you don't even need to bring in the plug. And then also we've got the light control. So one touch to turn off everything, one touch to turn on all the lights. Very cool. And off we go. Also, if you didn't notice this is a motion detector light. So this will eventually go off. And then as you walk nearby, you do get that little bit of ambient light. So if it's your first night and you wake up and you forget where you are, you at least have a little bit of light going on. Oh, and I didn't notice this, but this door actually does close, so you have a little bit of extra privacy if you want to enclose the bathroom. So there you go. Very nice. Bonus, there is a mirror on the other side as well. Very nice.